That was so cool. I've never had a church. Oh, and then over there, you actually can see the geyser going. And we're here at this city park. It's like this whole block is the park. And there's like the newer park over there. But my kids like the old school park. And that church is so cool. That was very cool. It's just so peaceful here and quiet. It's a good stop while you're traveling for the kids to get their wiggles out, and then I can nurse the baby. She's tired. She'll sleep for a good couple of hours now. We can get some good going on the road.